Set your oven to 400. Okay. First thing, you want to cut up 1 cup of chopped yellow or white onions. Then you want 4 to 5 cloves of garlic. A teaspoon of olive oil. In a saucepan, you heat the oil over medium heat and throw in the onion. Now that your onions are brown, chili powder. And then 3/4 teaspoons. So we're going to add 3 of these. And 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Your garlic. Next, you're gonna need a big bowl. You're gonna put your 3 cups of pinto beans, 1 cup of sweet corn, and 4 ounces of the green chilies. You're gonna mash it all up in the bowl. Let's go. Next, you wanna measure out 3 cups of beans, which is about 1 can. And then you're gonna actually put this in a strainer. And the 1/3 cup. And then you're gonna want to give your beans a little wash before you put them in your bowl. And what that does, it removes some of the extra sodium if there's any in it. And 3 cups of beans. Put them in your bowl. And a juice, 1/2 of a lime. And you want to add 1 4-ounce can of green chilies. And then when it forms this paste, you can still have some full beans in there, it's okay. You're just gonna add your sauté mixture. And then 1 cup of corn. If you don't have cooking spray, just put some oil on a paper towel. Alright, and you're going to get about 2 tablespoons of your filling. Apply it to the left side. Okay. We have one rolled flauta. And that recipe makes about 12 flautas. Now, just gotta put them in the oven. It should be nice and preheated. Get your timer. 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, take them out. See if the little golden sides. And you want to flip them. Alright, now that they're upside down, back in. For another 5 to 7 minutes. And then while you wait for the flautas to cook, make some guacamole. Once you chop up some avocado, use the other half of your lime. And I like to sprinkle a little garlic salt. Half a teaspoon. All right, let's make a plate. And here is the final product. Flautas with avocado and lettuce, all vegan.